Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about runs in your paintwork, in this case in the clear coat. So what I did with this probably wasn't the right idea, but such an awkward piece, this rear wing, that once I painted it, I clear coated the bottom and then I was hoping to flip it over and then clear coat the top side. But in doing so, I end up with some runs right here in the clear coat. I don't know if you can see that. I'll get a little closer. Yeah. So the way that I like to do it, put you back down here, is I take a razor blade and then I like to just knock off the corners of it. So you don't get any dig-ins. Then I'll also take a piece of tape. I'm just going to tape off just on the edges there. That side. Made a right hash of that one. Something like that. So that does, it actually gives you a little bridge between the blade there as well. So you're only exposed on the one side of the blade. Because what we're going to try and do is just shave off the top side of the runs. Right? What you do is just drag your blade over it. Bring you in this side, give you a better look. So all I'm doing is keep the blade flat and just taking off the high spot of the run, right? I'm just shaving it. The idea is get it as low as you can without actually working into the base coat underneath. And then you can smooth them out with a little bit of sandpaper afterwards. So I'll go ahead and get on with that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's such a pretty bad shape, so I'll go on with that and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, now that we've knocked the top of the runs right off, I can still feel a wee bit of bump there. I'm going to go in with a piece of 1000 grit. Then we're just going to smooth and blend them together. Depending on what stage whatever you're doing is, like you go like 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000, 5000 cut and polish, and then you would never see any of your sand marks, right? But I will be putting some more paint on this, so I'm not too worried about that. I am going to just try and give it a little bit of base coat and before I go clear coat the top side of this. Yeah, we'll see.